Hello friends, welcome to my channel Elsa War.
Today we are going to make quick paneer rolls.
For the filling we need sliced onions, sliced bell peppers, chopped garlic, ginger, little bit of soya sauce, peri-peri sauce, ketchup, mint mayonnaise, tandoori mayonnaise, chili flakes, oregano, black pepper. Also we can use little bit of jalapenos and olives. Most important ingredient क्योंकि हमें पनीर रोल्स बनाना है तो we need पनीर. इसको आप क्यूब्स में भी काट सकते हो और thinly sliced. And we need a little bit of olive oil to salt the filling. 1 tablespoon of oil. When it is a bit hot, then we will add ginger and garlic finely chopped into it. Saute it for a few seconds. If you like too much of spicy food, you can add chopped green chilies also. My children, they don't like, so I am not putting green chilies. Just when the garlic turns translucent, add sliced onions into it. Saute it for a few seconds. Add the bell peppers. The color looks so good. Bell peppers are good for health. We are going to add fresh paneer to it. We'll saute it for a few seconds with all the ingredients. Don't have to cook the filling too much, otherwise all the stuffing will become very much soggy. Now we are going to add the herbs into it. Little bit of salt to taste, very little because we are going to add soya sauce. 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. 2 teaspoon of ketchup, tomato ketchup. We're going to add a little bit of chili flakes, a little bit of oregano, a pinch of black pepper, and we are just going to stir it gently so that all these spices, they are evenly mixed with the fresh paneer and the bell peppers. If you have corns with you, boiled corns, you can add that also. I can smell the herbs, the oregano, garlic flavor. The fusion is so good that you feel nostalgic. I'm going to add a little bit of peri-peri. That is it. Almost our filling is ready. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and let the filling cool for some time. In the meantime, we will need the dough for making the chapatis. Let's make thin chapatis. We are using the wheat flour. अगर आप घर पे गूंदना नहीं चाहते, रोटी नहीं बनाना चाहते, you can also use tortilla wraps which you get in the market. And if you don't want to use आटा, you can also use all-purpose flour. मैदे की रोटियां भी आप बना सकते हैं, पर ध्यान आपको ये रखना है that the chapati should not be very thick. It should be very thin because हमें wrap करना है, stuffing को इसके अंदर seal करना है, like spring rolls या जो आपके फ्रैंकीज मिलते हैं उसकी तरह. So the chapati has to be thin. और बहुत करारी चपाती हमें नहीं बनानी है. Almost this is ready. We will take it off the flame. Our chapati is ready. So let's start making the roll. First, we need to keep the chapati and we are going to apply a little bit of ketchup in the middle. Just spread it evenly. Little bit of tandoori mayo or sandwich spread we are going to add. Little bit of mint mayonnaise. If you want to use chutney, you can use that also. Now we will add the paneer filling in the center. It is looking so yum. I just want to eat the thing right now. Can't wait. You can add jalapenos if you like spicy. It smells so good. I'm sure the kids will really love this. It's so easy to make. It's so quick. Now we just are going to roll it. Keeping the fillings in the center, roll the chapati and it's ready.